Snack lovers, are you craving something quick and delicious? I've got you covered with some irresistible 5-minute snacks that will satisfy your cravings without keeping you in the kitchen all day. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got the classic peanut butter and banana on toast. Just spread a generous amount of peanut butter on a slice of whole grain toast. Top it with banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds for that extra crunch. It's sweet, it's nutty, and it's ready in a snap. Moving on, how about some savory Greek yogurt? Mix in some chopped cucumber, a dash of garlic powder, salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice into your Greek yogurt. This snack is not only quick, but packed with protein. Perfect for a post-workout treat or a busy afternoon. Now, if you're in the mood for something a bit cheesier, let's whip up some quick quesadillas. Take a flour tortilla, sprinkle it with cheese, add some sliced avocados and a sprinkle of salt. Fold it over, pop it in the microwave for about a minute, and voila, delicious melty goodness in no time. For those with a sweet tooth, let's make some chocolate-dipped strawberries. Melt some chocolate in the microwave, dip your strawberries, and set them aside to cool for a minute or two. It's a simple luxury that's always a hit. And lastly, let's not forget about a classic, apple slices with almond butter. Cut up an apple, spread some almond butter on each slice, and if you're feeling adventurous, top with a little granola. It's crunchy, it's sweet, and it's oh so satisfying. There you have it. 5 super easy, super tasty snacks you can whip up in just about 5 minutes. Perfect for when you need a quick bite but don't want to compromise on flavor. So next time you're feeling peckish, give these a try and snack away. Thanks for tuning in and happy snacking.